What makes it beautiful?
Don't know. You have too much in there to make it beautiful.
Where they don't park, but now everybody they don't park.
Of course now.
No.
And this place,
Where I can see all this dirty from? See this woman where they see how much stop where they don't park.
Come on, get with the decoration.
Just tell them to, in order to stop this one, tell them to make available of another one so that they can stop this one. It's not where they have never made a provision of another one. They will not stop the one that people are managing. They just create a video with no plans.
It's not just about the car, it's about your move.
and seeing her, people thought she was mad. People thought, oh, she's dirty, and they can't even come close to her. And if we treat Earth as a human being, a Mother Earth, she is our mom, we love our mothers. If we treat her with care, we nurture her, the environment will be safer for every one of us.
The book was very insightful. It was great, just learning about the damage we're doing to our planet, and seeing that visually. As again, they're there to walk from Utako to Wuse.
Let me challenge.
You don't talk to my bad, that's what I know to do.
I don't pass by. I say make I say. Now message that they. I say make people know the drop and take people again.
Yes.
What is one now? I'm from try the waka come from bed and I have to stand. I just go back now.
The whole event is about if humans were Earth. And the truth is, if humans were Earth, the world would have ended a long time ago because we're not conscious of our environment. And this walk, this procession is supposed to be for our consciousness as human beings, to know that we need to be our environment. This Earth is our home, and we should make it as comfortable as possible, as clean as possible.
If humans were Earth,
Frustrated, sincerely.
we'll be frustrated. If humans were Earth, we would want the better for ourselves. Like if humans were Earth, what do you think Earth will do right now? Guys go park, no space. Where we go one day? We go all go that side. Which side to that?
Space.
All of us go there space. Where we go come to land? Everyone's gonna shoot land.